Hello, I'm going to tell you a very interesting story that happened in my life. Can you see this? This is a baby typewriter called the Hermes Baby Typewriter. This typewriter is more than 50 years old. The story that is related to this typewriter is something very interesting. Um, my father used to use this typewriter, and I used to see him doing that, and I was in school that time. And one day he told me that, you keep eyeing this typewriter. I don't want you to ever touch this typewriter. If I see you do that, I'll break your hands. It was quite shocking. He never used such strong language. And then the typewriter used to be kept inside the Godrej cupboard locker inside. Okay. And it so happened that soon after that, I had a summer vacation. And in the afternoons, when there was nobody at home, I used to take the typewriter out and start typing and testing, etc. Tear the sheets very carefully and throw it away, right? And this used to go on every day, and I used to type something and whatever it is. Then in 1969, I was beginning to look for a job, and I had to type applications. And my father said, type out the applications yourself. Right? And I started typing. And one day, very casually, he asked me, how did you learn to type? So I had a sheepish grin on my face, and I said, I used to type whenever you're not there at home. I used to try out typing and learn it, and so on and so forth. So then he grinned, and I was quite surprised. I thought he would be upset. And he said, you know what? My strategy worked. I said, what was your strategy, Dad? He said, I told you not to touch the typewriter. And I knew that because I told you not to touch it, you will certainly do it. And then you will actually try typing it. And in the process, you learn typing. If I told you to learn typewriting, and I'm sure you would not have done that. So from time to time, we have to use psychology for dealing with people like you. So this is the story of my learning to type and how my father made me learn typing without my wanting to learn it. Thank you.